Second Look Security stops phishing by unmasking fake senders. Fundamentally, con artists and phishing attacks leverage the same technique. They pretend to be someone you know and trust. Once they gain your confidence, they can easily steal from you. The most effective phishing attacks impersonate well-known, reputable senders. These attacks must piggyback on this trust in recognized brands and people in order to get you to take their bait. As a first line of defense, spam filters focus on detecting bad mail, but largely miss phishing emails, allowing the attack directly into the inbox. So how can you tell which messages are real and which are fake? Well, we decided to flip the paradigm. Instead of simply detecting the bad mail, we focus on positively identifying the good mail, and it is a very effective technique for stopping phishing attacks. To best support the user at the point of attack, we built this phishing protection right into the Office 365 inbox. Second Look helps users easily distinguish real messages from these often spoofed senders by looking for the brand logo in the right-hand panel. If Second Look doesn't show you their brand logo, it is a fake message 100% of the time. Let's look at one of the most spoofed senders, FedEx. There is no way to know if this message is real or fake simply by looking at it. However, Second Look digs deeper into the email data and confirms that it is indeed from FedEx, and therefore displays the FedEx logo to confirm the message is real. Switching to a spoofed email, although it looks nearly identical to the prior email, the phishing graphic clearly tells the user that it is a fake. Second Look also identifies internal email. All you need to do is look for your company logo in Second Look. If you don't see your organization's name and logo, it is a fake message 100% of the time. This email represents a growing threat of CEO spoofing and appears to be from an internal sender, but in fact it is a phishing email. With Second Look, you will never again be fooled by that spoofed email pretending to be from your CEO and asking for an urgent wire transfer. Stop being fooled by phishing frauds and fakes and start taking a second look.
Second Look for Outlook Quick Start Guide. Second Look in a browser. Open any message in your browser. Click the three ellipses on the top right and scroll down to select Second Look Security. This makes the app available to check messages. Make sure to click the pin so Second Look is always available for every message. Second Look with the Outlook client. Again, open any message and at the top ribbon you will see the Second Look shield. The Second Look app will open in the side panel. Make sure to pin the app so Second Look is always available for every message. Second Look on mobile devices. Open the Second Look app on your mobile device. Open any message and click the three ellipses, then click the Second Look app. Second Look will tell you what it knows about the message. In this case, it is a phishing message. Training reminders are available at any time by clicking any red flag to bring up context-sensitive information about that message. Second Look Security. If in doubt, always take a second look.